Hello, hello, Imagine a Villain here with another money-saving tip in Unreal Engine. So, you might not know this, but you can actually go into plugins and enable 3D text. Tell it yes, tell it restart, and we'll be right back. Alright, with that done, go to your content drawer, make a blueprint, be an actor, we'll call it VP Sign. Add a text 3D component. You can change it to whatever font you want. Also change the justification as you see fit. And also you can go down here, and if it's in 5.5, you'll see a bunch of materials. And this will be a little different. In 5.6, it's changed to a bunch of colors, and then the style here can actually have textures as an option, or radiance, or whatever you want. I'll just leave it solid for now. All right. So now in the construction script, let's drag out this 3D text here. We'll set text. Connect it up. Promote this value here. We'll call the value. Make certain it's instance editable. And now, you can drag these into the world. Then you can rotate them as you see fit, resize them as you want. Go this way here. Make signs. With 3D text. And there you go. That's all you gotta do. Hopefully that's helpful. And next time you decide to make a sign anywhere in the world, remember, save money and do it with 3D text.